Good morning. Good Monday morning, April 13th. Here's your must-do list. So first thing on the thing is the class video chat. That's just there if you want to join us this morning. Hope to see you there. Extra math. Make sure you do that today. Zern. Okay. We're going to be starting doing Zern, one lesson per day. You just click on this. Remember, click on this link. And the most important thing is that you sign in with Google. So make sure you sign in with Google. All right, so that's Zern. We're going to be doing multiplication and division Zern lessons. All right, so equivalent fractions on math review on Monday. Let's just open that really quick. So if you scroll down to these questions, which two fractions are equivalent? Remember, they have to be the same size. Equivalent is equal, okay? So you're going to look at these three options and you choose two that are the same size. They're going to be different fractions. This is just like 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6 or 4/8. Okay, so which two of these are equivalent? And the same with these two as well. You're going to look for ones that have the same size. They are same. Okay, this one's a little tricky down here. So, how many 1/4 pieces are there in a whole? So here's your whole. How many 1/4 pieces? Okay, so look at that. So this is how many are in one whole. Now this is how many 1/4 pieces are in two wholes. So you would have two of these. How many 1/4 pieces? So think that through. It's not that hard. So do your very, very best. Okay, so that's our Monday math review. You got vocabulary. Alrighty, let's go over these new 5 words. All right, here we go. Number one is doze. Okay, doze means to sleep lightly. Okay, to sleep lightly. You may doze off when someone's reading you a book or you're watching a movie. Next word is content. Content is you're pleased, you're happy, you just feel good, things are good, so you just feel good inside. You feel content. Look at this little picture that definitely looks content. Gaze. Gaze is when you just stare at something, so it means to stare. Mrs. Scott gazed a lot at the moon last week. The moon was awesome last week. Hopefully you got the opportunity to gaze. All right, this might be the trickiest word this week as boundary, okay? So this is a soccer field, and soccer field have boundaries. Have you heard of out of bounds? Something that shows a limit or an end. So when you're playing soccer and the ball is inside the lines, it is in bounds. When it gets kicked out of bounds, it is on the outside. This is the boundary line, okay? The next word is to contemplate. Contemplate is when you think about something, you consider it, and you have careful thought. So when you write your sentence, make sure you contemplate and give me a good sentence, careful thought. Make sure you add some synonyms and antonyms and just do your very best on all your slides. So those are your vocabulary words this week. And Monday reading review, your story is called James Gets in the Game. So that should be, so read that carefully And I have a new thing I'm really excited about is I'm going to start a chapter book, reading you a chapter a day. Okay. Chapter 1 is today. Here's a video of me reading it to you. And then there's a question for you to answer. So you're going to listen to the video and then answer the question. It's, what do you think of the main character, Alvin Ho? That is the question. And then your to-do list. Okay. Now this really helps Mrs. Scott, and it kind of helps your parents know what you've done today. So up here, they're must do. So these need to all be checked every single day. Extra math review, Zern, reading fluency, vocabulary, Oscar 20 minutes, and watch chapter 1 of Alvin Ho and answer the questions. And these are the may-do list, okay? One thing I want to show you on the may-do list is I added multiplication practice link. And you guys have all been here and been able to practice these. So here's a link for you to do multiplication. So I hope this video helps you. And that was kind of fun introducing your vocabulary words to you this week. And I just hope you have a great Monday. Have a good day. Bye.